Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable light mode on Google Chrome and switch to a more comfortable dark theme. If you're looking to reduce eye strain or simply prefer the aesthetics of dark mode, follow these straightforward steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once the browser is up and running, you'll be ready to make some changes. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This icon opens up a menu with various options. Click on it to reveal the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down to the Settings option in that menu. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings, you need to navigate to Appearance. On this page, you will find several options related to how Chrome looks. Look for the section labeled Theme. Here comes the exciting part. Choose Dark. By selecting this option, you'll switch your Chrome interface from light mode to dark mode. This change not only makes browsing more visually appealing for many users, but can also help reduce glare and improve readability during nighttime use. After making your selection, simply close the Settings tab. You should now see that your Chrome browser has transformed into dark mode, providing a sleek and modern look. In summary, switching off light mode in Google Chrome is a simple process. Open Chrome, click on the three dots, go to Settings, navigate to Appearance, and select Dark Theme. Enjoy your new browsing experience in dark mode.